Bike is like a little bit loose here and the spacer came off, so I gotta get it serviced. We'll see if they can fix this. It's right here, the spacer. Yeah, that's really loose, and that came off also right there, so this needs to be fixed before anything else. A friend recommended that I run to Skid Cycles and asked for Kyle. Boy, he did not disappoint. Kyle got me up and running in no time and gave me advice what I need to do. I highly recommend him when you have any bike issues while in the Mountain Creek area. Hope you like this video. Cheers to you all. Be safe and God bless. Let's go ride! Doing the greenhorn. Nice. Oh, okay. All right. So seems like it's coming here. Frog pond. Yeah. Whoa!
That would freak me out. I would just fail open. Nice.
Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah, they're this side here, yeah.